If you like a chiseled jawline, this video is for you. So easy you can repeat with me right now, wherever you are. The first exercise. Massage around your cheek with your finger. This massage causes blood flow and collagen production. It may be a simple task, but it is very effective. 20 seconds is enough for this exercise. The second exercise. Pull the skin upwards from the side of the lip with your 4 fingers. This move is very funny and also very easy. Repeat with me right now to see how simple it is. This exercise is also very effective and you only have to do it for 20 seconds. You can help me a lot with just one click and like. Please like the video. The third exercise. Just hold your cheek with your thumb and forefinger for 1 second and repeat this movement for 20 seconds. Like the rest of the exercises. The fourth exercise. Place your thumb and forefinger on your cheek like I did and hold for 2 sets of 10 seconds. These massages make your face attractive, get your blood flowing and are very relaxing. I suggest you try it once to feel the relaxation of a massage.
Thank you for giving me energy by liking.
The fifth exercise. Laugh with all your facial muscles and close your eyes. This exercise strengthens the facial muscles. Of course, I suggest you practice alone because your face will look like mine. Do this exercise in 2 sets of 5 seconds. That was perfect. Just do these exercises once a day to see the excellent result very soon. This channel is for your beauty. So subscribe to your channel. We are human with any race. Thank you for giving me energy by liking.